Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and welcome to my Color Cut Stick video review. Color Cut Stick. Color Cut Stick. 300 Learning Worksheets for Smart Kids. Designed for smart sellers, creative educators, and parents who love hands-on learning. Unlock the magic of learning with a 300-page Color Cut Stick activity pack. Discover 300 engaging, screen-free learning pages that kids absolutely love. Bring learning to life with this creative Color Cut Stick activity pack, where every page invites children to color beautiful scenes, cut out fun objects, and stick the right ones into place. It's a joyful blend of art, logic, and vocabulary building that keeps kids focused, curious, and proud of what they create. Each worksheet encourages children to think, match, and learn English naturally while developing fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. Perfect for both classroom and home learning. With private label rights, PLR, you can easily rebrand, edit, and resell this exciting educational pack as your own. Whether you're launching a new store or growing your printable business, this ready-to-use bundle gives you everything you need to attract parents, teachers, and homeschooling creators. Don't miss this opportunity to turn creativity into income with a product that's both fun and truly educational. 300 fun learning pages for creative themes, for easy-to-use formats, high-resolution 300 dpi. What will you get in this product? 300 Color Cut Stick pages, fun, hands-on learning through coloring, cutting and matching. Builds thinking and vocabulary, boosts logic, focus, and English word skills. For creative themes, occupations, daily routine, seasons, and weather, festivals and holidays. High-quality 300 dpi, PDF, PNG, JPG, and Canva formats, ready to print or edit. A 4/US letter size, perfect for teachers, parents, and printable sellers. Full PLR license, rebrand, customize, and resell as your own. Bonus pack: 100 coloring pages, 10 editable covers, 100 AI prompts. Ready to use and time-saving, instant creative learning made easy. Introduce. Bring creativity and learning together with Color Cut Stick. 300 learning worksheets for smart kids. This hands-on activity pack helps children color, cut, and match objects while exploring everyday themes like occupations, daily routines, seasons and weather, and festivals around the world. Each page encourages imagination, logic, and vocabulary growth, making learning fun, interactive, and screen-free. Perfect for teachers, parents, and PLR sellers, this ready-to-use bundle turns ordinary worksheets into joyful learning adventures. How to use the activity pages. Each page in the Color Cut Stick pack is simple, fun, and easy to use. Kids can enjoy creative, screen-free learning in just 3 steps. Is your classroom, business, or printable store missing the right resource? As a teacher, parent, creator, or Etsy/KDP seller, you probably felt the struggle of finding high-quality, interactive learning materials that truly work. It's easy to get lost in a sea of worksheets that feel repetitive or uninspired. But what if the perfect solution, something fun, affordable, and effective, was finally here? Financial struggles. You know how expensive quality educational resources can be. Maybe you've been paying for multiple tools, books, or apps that don't really engage kids. Color Cut Stick changes that. It's an all-in-one printable pack that keeps children learning through play while saving you time and money. You'll get 300 creative pages of educational fun without breaking the bank. Productivity challenges. Creating custom classroom materials or sellable printables takes hours you don't always have. With Color Cut Stick, everything is ready to use, ready to sell, and ready to teach. Simply print, brand, or upload, and watch your productivity and profits grow. Frustrations with the process. Finding resources that truly combine learning and fun can feel impossible. That's why Color Cut Stick was designed to blend coloring, cutting, and matching into one smart learning activity. Each page builds logic, focus, and vocabulary, helping kids learn naturally while having fun. Lack of support. When you invest in educational tools, you deserve something that works, with clear instructions and reliable value. With Color Cut Stick, you're never on your own. This pack is simple, flexible, and fully supported, with easy steps to print, use, or rebrand under your own business. Don't let these challenges hold you back. If you've been searching for a solution that combines quality, creativity, and convenience, Color Cut Stick 300 Learning Worksheets is exactly what you need. Empower your students, children, or customers with a fun, skill-building resource and transform your classroom or store with a product that truly delivers. Why you need Color Cut Stick 300 Learning Worksheets for Smart Kids. As a teacher, parent, creator, or digital seller, you already know how important it is to keep kids engaged, learning, and having fun. This pack gives you everything you need: a creative, ready-to-use solution that inspires imagination and builds real skills. Boosts learning through play. This isn't just another coloring pack. It's a full hands-on learning experience. Each page invites kids to color, cut, and stick objects that match the scene, building their logic, focus, and vocabulary naturally through fun. Perfect for multiple uses. Whether you're a parent looking for screen-free playtime, a teacher needing interactive classroom materials, or a PLR seller expanding your store, Color Cut Stick fits perfectly. It's educational, creative, and endlessly reusable. Saves you time and effort. No more designing from scratch. This pack is ready to use and ready to sell, saving you hours of work. Just print, teach, or rebrand, and start engaging your audience right away. All-in-one learning solution. Why buy separate tools when you can have it all in one? Color Cut Stick combines art, matching, and vocabulary learning into a single fun activity, perfect for both home and classroom use. Affordable and profitable. With full PLR rights, you can rebrand, customize, and resell this pack under your own name. It's an easy, low-cost way to build your product line and generate consistent income, while offering something kids truly love. High quality and full support. Each page is beautifully designed at 300 dpi for perfect printing and digital use. You'll also get simple instructions and full support to make integration quick and easy. No tech headaches, no confusion. Color Cut Stick gives you the tools to inspire learning, creativity, and joy, while saving you time and helping your business grow. Make the smart move today. This is the resource your classroom, home, or printable store has been waiting for. Explore our 300 creative Color Cut Stick learning pages. Step into a world of fun, screen-free learning with 300 interactive worksheets that invite kids to color, cut, and match their way through everyday themes. Each page is carefully designed to build logic, focus, and English vocabulary while inspiring creativity and hands-on learning. Perfect for young learners, teachers, parents, homeschoolers, and printable creators, this pack makes learning exciting, engaging, and easy to use anywhere, at home, in class, or online. Here's a sneak peek inside the colorful world of Color Cut Stick 300 Learning Worksheets for Smart Kids. Exclusive extra bonuses included. Your purchase includes 3 amazing extras to boost your creativity and income potential. 100 extra coloring pages for kids. Expand your content library with fun, printable pages kids will love. 10 editable book covers. Canva Format. Beautifully designed covers. Simply edit the title only in Canva to match your product theme. 100 AI prompts. Color Cut Stick expansion. Create unlimited new pages with 4 extra themes. school, vehicles, fruits, and technology. All bonuses are included for free, helping you create, customize, and grow your educational product line with ease. Here's what you'll get when you grab this product: 300 interactive activity pages, fun, hands-on worksheets where kids color, cut, and match the right objects. High-quality 300 DPI files, delivered in PDF, PNG, JPG, and Canva formats. Optimized for A4/US letter size, 8.5 by 11 inches, perfect for printing or digital use. For educational themes, occupations, daily routine, seasons and weather, and festivals and holidays around the world. 10 editable book covers, Canva format, professionally designed. Simply edit the title only to fit your brand. 100 AI prompts, color cut stick expansion, generate more pages in 4 new themes: school, vehicles, fruits, and technology. 100 extra coloring pages for kids, add even more creative fun and learning. Full PLR license included, rebrand, customize, and resell as your own. Boosts creativity and thinking skills, builds focus, logic, and English vocabulary through play. Ready-to-use pack, save time and effort with a done-for-you educational bundle for teachers, parents, and PLR sellers. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.